In front of me, I've got Visual Studio Code Editor opened. Feel free to use the code editor of your choice. So what we want to do, step number one, it's very important to know where you are in terms of the folder structure. I am inside a folder called Compound Component. As you can see, I am inside that folder. Feel free to open any folder of your choice and get inside it and make sure that you are there. How can we show that we are there in terms of the terminal? What you can do, you can come here and move this up. Okay, a terminal path will appear here and it will tell you that you are inside this folder. So any commands that you run will affect this folder. Okay, so now let's create a new Next.js application. So please type npx create dash next dash app. Okay, app with double P. If you want, you can continue and type at latest. This is going to install the latest version of Next.js. Let's just create that. But if you have missed that one and just type npx create next dash app without at latest, still it will work. So let's just hit enter. Make sure that you are connected to the internet because it's required. So by doing this, we are creating a Next.js application. If you might want to know more about these command, let's just quickly go here. You can Google Next.js documentation so that you can go to Next.js documentation. Everything that I will do here, it will also be available here. So you can come here and read their doc. Make sure that here you are on the app router because Next.js used to have the page router. So now currently it's on the app router. So please make sure that this is on the app router. So let's go back to Visual Studio Code and see where we are. Okay, as you can see, guys, this is going to take some time, going to connect to the internet, and it's going to create. Hey guys, my apologies for disturbing. In case you didn't know, we've got a course at Udemy. If you're watching this on Coded Design, I also got another YouTube channel for teaching you Figma, and that channel is Coded UI. In case you want to be updated by everything that we do here at Coded Design, please check the link in the description below to our Substack newsletter. Thank you so much. I hope you are enjoying. Create a Next.js application. Before it do that, it's going to ask us a lot of things, just like this one. It's asking us, what is the name of our application? I'm just going to name our application card component. Okay, I'm going to name our application card component. Please make sure that you don't include capital letters and then hit enter. It's going to ask us, do you want to use Typescript? Yes. So here, guys, if you can click enter, you are good to go. So we're just going to click enter. Tailwind CSS, yes, enter. SRC directory, no, we are not going to do that. App router, yes. Would you like to customize default input? No. Okay, so as you can see, guys, it's continuing. It's going to take its own time. I'm just going to pause the video and I'm going to come back when it's done. Thank you. Okay, guys, I'm back. As you can see, the process is done. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to type a command clear here just to clear everything. So I'm going to bring this down. As you can see, this is the name of our project. Inside this project, we've got the Next.js application here. It's very important to always know where you are in terms of the terminal. In terms of the terminal, we are inside this folder, compound component. Any command that will run here, it will run on the parent folder, not on the child folder. At this point in time, we don't want to run any command on the parent folder. We want to run command inside or in this card component. So how do we change directories? Obviously there is a shortcut to change directories here, but I don't like to use it simply because as much as you are inside this folder in terms of the terminal, but visually you are still here. Okay, this folder might confuse you. So what I usually do, I open the child folder, and here I will click any file. Okay, I'm using Windows. I will reveal in Explorer. The only thing that I want the path, the direct path of my folder. So I will copy this as it is and I will close here. So next I will come here and open a folder, and I will paste that directory exactly as it is. As you can see, guys, now this has changed. It's pointing to card folder. This card component. This is what I want, and then I will open this folder. So the interesting thing now is, in terms of the parent, we are inside the card component folder, so you cannot be confused, or you don't have to always open the parent folder before you get in here. And in terms of the command, the terminal, as you can see, the last folder now, it's going to be the card component, as you can see. So we have finished creating a Next.js application. See you on the next one.